Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Mastering productivity, create a custom system that works. Lecture 9. In this lecture, we will learn about goal setting and tracking progress, setting achievable goals and milestones, developing an action plan for goal attainment, tracking progress and celebrating achievements, adjusting goals and strategies as needed, developing habits for continued improvement. Conclusion. Setting achievable goals and milestones. Setting achievable goals and milestones is crucial for personal and professional growth. It allows us to focus our efforts and track our progress, which can be incredibly motivating. However, it's important to set goals that are both challenging and realistic. If we set goals that are too easy, we won't push ourselves to grow. On the other hand, if we set goals that are too difficult, we may become discouraged and give up. By setting achievable goals and milestones, we can strike a balance between these two extremes and stay motivated on our journey towards success. When setting goals, it's important to consider our strengths and weaknesses, as well as the resources and support available to us. We should also break down our goals into smaller, more manageable steps and set deadlines for each milestone. This will help us stay focused and motivated and make it easier to track our progress along the way. By setting achievable goals and milestones, we can turn our dreams into reality and achieve success in all areas of our lives. Developing an action plan for goal attainment. Developing an action plan is crucial to achieving your goals. It helps you break down a complex goal into smaller, more manageable steps that you can take to move closer to your desired outcome. To develop an effective action plan, start by identifying the specific actions you need to take to achieve your goal. Then, break those actions down into smaller, more manageable steps. Finally, set deadlines for each step and create a timeline for completing them. Tracking progress and celebrating achievements. Tracking progress is an essential part of achieving your goals. It allows you to see how far you've come and what you still need to do. There are many ways to track progress, such as using a journal or planner, creating a spreadsheet, or using an app. Find the method that works best for you and stick with it. Celebrating achievements is just as important as tracking progress. It helps to keep you motivated and reminds you of how much you've accomplished. Celebrations don't have to be big or expensive. They can be as simple as treating yourself to a favorite meal or taking a day off to relax. The key is to acknowledge your achievements and give yourself credit for your hard work. Adjusting goals and strategies as needed. Adjusting goals and strategies is an essential part of the goal-setting process. It's important to remember that achieving your goals is not always a linear process. There may be setbacks, obstacles, or unforeseen circumstances that require you to adjust your goals and strategies. However, this does not mean that you have failed. Rather, it's an opportunity to learn, grow, and adapt. One example of when adjustments may be necessary is when you encounter unexpected challenges that make your original plan unfeasible. In this case, you may need to revise your goals and strategies to better align with your current situation. Another example is when you realize that your original goals were too ambitious or unrealistic. By adjusting your goals to be more achievable, you can maintain your motivation and momentum towards success. Developing habits for continued improvement. Developing habits for continued improvement is an essential aspect of achieving long-term success. Habits are the building blocks of our daily routines, and by developing positive habits, we can make progress towards our goals every day. To develop new habits, it is important to start small and be consistent. Choose one habit that you want to develop and commit to doing it every day for at least 2 weeks. This will help you establish a routine and make the habit a part of your daily life. Breaking old habits can be challenging, but it is necessary to make room for new, positive habits. Identify the triggers that lead to your negative habits and find ways to avoid them. Replace your negative habits with positive ones, and reward yourself for making progress. Remember that developing new habits takes time and effort, but the results are worth it. Conclusion? In conclusion, setting achievable goals and milestones is crucial for personal and professional growth. By breaking down larger goals into manageable steps and tracking progress along the way, we can stay motivated and on track towards success. Developing an action plan is equally important in achieving our goals. This involves identifying specific actions that need to be taken and creating a timeline for completion. By taking consistent action towards our goals, we can make steady progress over time. It's also important to remain flexible and adjust our goals and strategies as needed. Sometimes unexpected challenges arise, and being able to adapt to changing circumstances is key to staying on track. Tracking progress and celebrating achievements is another important aspect of goal attainment. By recognizing our successes along the way, we can stay motivated and inspired to continue pushing ourselves towards greater heights. Finally, developing habits that support continued improvement is essential for long-term success. By making small changes to our daily routines, we can create lasting habits that help us achieve our goals and maintain our momentum. Remember, setting achievable goals and milestones, developing an action plan, tracking progress, adjusting goals and strategies, and developing habits for continued improvement are all critical components of success. By incorporating these practices into our lives, we can achieve our dreams and reach our full potential.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.